Hello friends, I'm Meenakshi Upadhyay. So today we are going to be talking about a few more tips from my side to improve your language, to improve your English. My next tip for today is practice. Practice makes a man perfect, as they say. So practice what you're reading, practice what you are writing, practice what you are listening. So whatever you're reading and writing or listening to, just start speaking it, practicing it. And my next tip is start recording. Start recording what you are saying, so that you can see yourself, you can hear yourself. That is very, very important. Also, my third tip is start a mirror practice. Now, mirror practice helps a lot. Sometimes in the front of the camera, you are shy or something like that, but in front of a mirror, it comes naturally. So start with a mirror practice of saying whatever you have learned, whatever you have read, or whatever you have heard, and then start recording. So start a daily recording for 1 or 2 minutes. That is really, really going to help you in the long run.